Join us for a series of shocking courtroom moments where emotions run high and tempers flare. We've got it all, from former university presidents to drunk drivers. Let's jump into 5 cases that will leave you stunned. Nancy Cantor, former Syracuse University president, went viral for her behavior during a minor car accident. She is seen getting upset about possibly missing her flight and asked for the other driver's license.
I have to make sure my supervisor is aware of what's going on. I understand.
Absolutely no damage.
I know that, and I explained that to her, but she still wants to come.
A woman declares herself a free inhabitant and resists police officers' order to exit her vehicle while it's being towed. Eventually, the officers are able to persuade her to comply and leave the car.
On recording, Article 4, free inhabitant pursuant to the Articles of Confederation. You can look it up. It's in the United States Book of Codes. It is your laws you have to follow. No, I'm not getting out of the car. You can go get your superior.
Well, I am going to tow this car, and you cannot be in the vehicle while I'm towing this vehicle.
Well, if you go get your superior, he'll clarify
right
that he can be set free because he does not have to have a license.
That's not going to happen right now, young lady. On your own free will, or I'm going to assist you.
Are you saying you have authority over me?
Yes, I do.
You have proven authority over me?
Yes, I do.
How did you do that?
The County of Imperial through the sheriff.
You do not have authority over a human being, over a free inhabitant.
Do you want to argue the point?
You need to go look up your laws.
I don't have to look at anything right now.
That law only applies to U.S. citizens.
Well, where are you a citizen of?
I am not a U.S. citizen.
Well, see, that's
I am a free inhabitant. I am of the earth. I do not belong to any corporation. I do not belong to any country.
Yeah, but as long as you're in the sovereign states of the United States, you will abide by the rules and laws.
See,
and you have certain protections.
a free inhabitant is they are allowed to. They're free people. They have all of the rights of a U.S. citizen without following any of their laws.
Well, that would just be pure anarchy if that were the case.
No, because we're peaceful people. We're peaceful people. So call your superior.
Well, it's going to take a couple hours or so for somebody to come down.
Well, just
and that's
call
not going to
him.
happen right now.
Well, then we're going to have to solve it some other way.
All right.
We just need to, you need to call in, tell them I'm a free inhabitant and find out what that is.
Well, I am going to tow this vehicle, young lady, so you cannot be in this vehicle.
I understand that. So all right, then I'm going to get out of the vehicle and I'm going to walk down to that house because you do not have authority over me. Well, then I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
As soon as I conclude the rest of my investigation, you will be free to leave. As far as I know, you have not done anything wrong at this point, but you are slowly reaching to that point, 148 PC.
I'll get out of the vehicle for you. I will get out of the vehicle. I'm kidding.
Kamya Gama is convicted of murdering her boyfriend in Jackson County, Michigan. During the victim's family statement, Kamya continues to talk despite the judge's warning and threat of duct tape. She's ultimately sentenced to life in prison.
Basically at trial, the way I was portrayed, mostly everything was lies. There was a little bit of truth, but mostly I was convicted off of lies, and I do plan to appeal it, and that's all I have to say.
Anything you want to tell the court about the 12 stab wounds that you did in self-defense?
The alleged 12 stab wounds?
Well, I don't think the pathologist lied about those.
No, I don't have anything further.
2 women are sentenced to life in prison for the murder of a 3-year-old child. The judge pronounces their sentence accompanied by the heartbreaking cries of the victim's family in the background.
Prosecuting on that child on a daily basis is more than disconcerting to this court. And as such, the court finds it appropriate that each be sentenced to the State Department of Corrections for a period of life. You will get credit for any of the time that you
A woman responsible for a fatal DUI crash is confronted by the victim's family in court. The judge reminds her that her actions ended 3 lives and ruined many more. She receives a 50-year prison sentence. Although these cases may evoke negative emotions, they remind us that every action has consequences, and the justice system is there to hold us accountable. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
several times at night from pain, but also from nightmares. My nightmares include being left at the scene, abandoned at the scene, screaming for help when you weren't there.
Knowing that she has now lost her life and that she will spend her days in pain, just her not being happy every day brings